Hello students and a very good afternoon to you all. This is Shifa ma'am, your English educator. And guys, today I have brought an important grammar concept to let you people know the difference between very, so and to. So as you people know that these are quantifiers, right? We use them to qualify or to emphasize any adjective or a noun term. So let us see the very basic difference between very, to and so. When we are going to use very, when we are going to use so, and when we are going to use to, right? So the very first thing is very. So when we use very it is used to strengthen the meaning of an adjective or adverb, right? So as you guys know it very well that very is used to qualify an adjective or an adverb. Like here it is given that very is used with adjective or adverb and then the adjective qualifies a specific noun, right? So that is the sentence structure. So here as you are given an example that it was a very hot day. So here hot is an adjective, very is an adverb and day is a noun term. Clear? So very hot day means the day was hot, but how much it was hot? It was very hot, right? The intensity of hotness of the day is very. Clear? So here we are emphasizing adjective hot with the adverb which is following by noun, that is the day. Clear? Now you are given the second example over here guys. It is Rita runs very fast. Here the term is fast, but fast is not an adjective over here. Fast is an adverb over here. Adjective over here. Clear? So it is talking about the quality of Rita, that Rita runs very fast. So fast is an adjective and this adjective is qualifying this adverb very, that how much fast Rita runs is, so she runs very fast. So very is the intensity of Rita's running, right? So that is why emphasizing it is emphasizing an adverb. Clear? So here verb very is an adverb and fast is an adjective. Clear guys? Now the second thing is when to use so. So very is used in a very nominal sense, right? So whenever we speak of a very low intensity of some adjective, then we do use the term very as a qualifier of that adjective of an or an adverb. Clear? Now the second term is so. When we use so is used to express higher degree than very. So that is the main difference between very and so. So very कब लगाते हैं? जब हम बिल्कुल स्लो इंटेंसिटी में बात करते हैं, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा, तो कोई चीज ज्यादा है लेकिन थोड़ी ज्यादा है तो दैट इज वेरी. इट इज वेरी हॉट टुडे. तो यहाँ पे हॉट तो है लेकिन थोड़ी ज्यादा हॉट है तो दैट इज वेरी. क्लियर? सो मतलब वेरी से थोड़ा ज्यादा इंटेंसिटी है. सो जब हम किसी चीज की ज्यादा इंटेंसिटी की बात करते हैं इन अ पॉजिटिव सेंस, देयर इन वी यूज द टर्म so to qualify the adjective or an adverb. So it is given that is used to express higher degree than very. Clear? Like you are given an example that the painting is so beautiful. So in this sentence here beautiful is an adjective and this adjective is qualifying this adverb, that is so. So what is the intensity of the painting to be beautiful? It is so beautiful, right? That I got allured or I got attracted with the beauty of that painting, right? I was spellbound to see that painting. So that was my emotions when I saw that painting. So like this kind of thing is there. So that is why here we are talking about so, not using the term very over here. Clear? Now the next thing over here is guys, next example you are given is, it is a so beautiful painting. So if I write like it is a so beautiful painting, so the statement is incorrect. It is grammatically incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because here you are using an article a. Right? And we never use article with the term adverb. So it should be, it is a beautiful painting. It should be in the correct sense. Whenever we write it like it is a beautiful painting. So here if I am writing if it is a so beautiful painting, so it is incorrect, right? It is a so beautiful house, that is incorrect. It is a beautiful house, right? That's the correct sense. Right guys? So we never use article a, an or the with the adjective, with the adverb term. Clear? It is used with the adjective term. So it should be it is a beautiful painting. Now the next point is guys when to use to. So we use to whenever we are intensifying any adverb which means more than it should be, right? जितना होना चाहिए था किसी चीज की intensity उससे ज्यादा है. तो we always use the sense very and so in a positive sense, but we use to with many a times to is frequently used with negative adjective terms, right? Whenever we are expressing specifying some negative sense in the statement, in the context of a sentence, then we do use the term to, right? इतना ज्यादा है जितना कि नहीं होना चाहिए था. तो जब किसी चीज की इंटेंसिटी ज्यादा होती है जितनी नहीं होनी चाहिए थी, तो उस सेंस में हम टू एडवर्ब को यूज करते हैं एज अ क्वालिफायर. क्लियर? सो इट लाइक हियर इट इज गिवन दैट मोर देन इट शुड बी, जितना होना चाहिए तो उससे ज्यादा है, इट मीन्स इन अ नेगेटिव सेंस. क्लियर? इट इज नॉट, एंड द नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विद दिस टू क्वालिफायर इज इट इज नेवर डायरेक्टली फॉलोड बाय अ नाउन, राइट? एज द केस ऑफ वेरी एंड सो और वेरी के साथ भी यही केस था कि डायरेक्टली नाउन के साथ फॉलो नहीं करता है. उसी तरह से टू के साथ भी ये कंडीशन है कि वी नेवर यूज टू डायरेक्टली विद अ नाउन टर्म. क्लियर? Like here you are given an example, this dress is too expensive for me. So here expensive is a negative adjective, right? It is expensive, but what is the you can say what is the quantity of being expensive? So it is too expensive. इतनी ज्यादा expensive है कि मेरी reach से बाहर है, right? So that is the sense that the dress is too expensive that I can't even afford that dress. Clear? So that is the sense over here. That is why it is giving you a negative sense. The next is the exam was too difficult. So even I haven't expected that it should be too difficult. I thought it would be easy, that I can handle the questions well. But the exam was too difficult. So here difficult is again a negative adjective and it is followed by a negative term, that is negative qualifier, negative quantifier, that is too. Clear? So here you are given a formula that to is mainly followed, majority of the times to is followed with a negative adjective, and sometimes it is followed by an adjective giving a positive sense as well. Like I can write you are too kind. So it simply means how much kind you are. So you are too kind. That's your greatness, that you are more than kind. I thought you are kind, but you are more kind than I thought of, right? So that's the sense. So it is a positive sense. Next is the stand-up comedian was too funny. Funny is again a positive sense, but I even haven't thought that it should be that much funny that I am just seeing right now, right? So the stand-up comedian was too funny, that even I haven't expected it to be that much funny. So that is why here too is expressing a positive sense, as well as in the first statement you are too kind, here also it is expressing a positive sense. So guys, अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आया, if you like this video really well, then do give it a thumbs up and do share my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Take care. Be